Hello guys, I'm Harry Sims and you're watching Motivate Yourself Now. So guys, if you did not subscribe our channel, then what you doing? Subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss any update. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, all I know that nowadays disinfectants, sanitizer, etc. are more in demand. That's why there is shortage of these products in market. So today I'm gonna share some tips for making disinfectant at home with proofs. As I'm not gonna recommend anything that can harm you, so we can make it at home the following some steps. First, disinfectant for things and us. Take a spray bottle, fill it with clear water, and put 6 to 7 spoons of antiseptic liquid in it, and put few drops or 1 spoon sanitizer in it. Now mix it well and spray it on those things which are often in contact like taps, doors, remotes, etc. And guys, as I told you in one of my previous videos, whenever you come from outside, bathing is must. So while bathing, put 1 to 2 spoons of this liquid in water and then bath. It will disinfect your body. If you went to buy vegetables at doorstep, you can't bath again and again, right? So spray this solution all over your body, especially on feet, and spray this liquid on your footwear whenever you come from outside. Fix a time either in morning or before sleeping. Spray this solution in your house everywhere daily. And a warning, never ever spray this liquid in kitchen or any kitchen product or anything that can catch fire. You must heard in news that due to sanitizers, things catch fire as sanitizers contain alcohol, which catch fire easily. So guys, never spray sanitizers or that solution with a suggested in kitchens or anything that can catch fire easily. So be safe. Now what's about clothes? So guys, whenever you come from outside, changing clothes is a must. And try to wash them hand to hand, but if you can't do so due to any reason, come from outside, change clothes and put those clothes inside washing machine and cover it. And when you will wash them, later put some antiseptic liquid or that liquid which I suggested in water and then wash. This will disinfect your clothes, guys. Moving towards next point. Now as we can sanitize kitchen, and we also can sanitize fruits, veggies, edible items, right? So what will we do for that? We can wash them? No, bad idea. We can't wash vegetables and fruits with soap or some disinfectant. Actually, there are some people who really wash fruits and vegetables. I don't know why. But no, we don't need to do this. We just need to prepare a solution for it. So guys, take a spray bottle, put water in it. Now take 2 lemons, squeeze of the lemon in it, and cut the another one in small pieces and put it as it is in bottle. And put some neem leaves or aloe vera leaves in it. And take 2 to 3 tablespoons of vinegar and some baking soda. Mix them and keep aside for 15 minutes and then remove lemon peels from it. Lemon and vinegars are natural disinfectants. As I told you earlier, I will show you all proofs. Here are your proofs. You can also search same on Google. Then you'll see the pics. You can spray it in kitchen and kitchen products and it will not catch fire. And for vegetables, pick a big bowl. Put 1 tablespoon salt and 1 lemon and cut lemon in small pieces and put it in bowl. And then put vegetables in it and soak them for at least half hour and then wash them with plain water. Here is the proof that salt is natural antibacterial. So if there are veggies like onion which can be soaked in water, then keep them in sunlight for half hour. As sunlight is a natural disinfectant or antibacterial, here is the proof for that too. And now, what's about fruits? We can't put fruits in lemon water as we eat fruits raw It don't need to be cooked like veggies, so lemon will make it taste bad somewhere. So take warm water and put aloe vera in it and soak fruits in it. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video. If you do, don't forget to share, subscribe and comment your thoughts in below. So guys, if you're not able to make these disinfectants or they are not available in market, so you can order it from the link I provided in description, so you can check it out and purchase it. So stay safe, stay home, love yourself, love your family, and thanks for watching.